madam. To operate smoothly, your business needs favorable flow of working capital, period. When people are slow in paying their bills, they can cut into your available supply of cash, and there is always the chance that a number of people may not be able to pay their bills at all. Paragraph. By asking people to pay their bills firmly and not a friendly way, you will resolve your collection problems and increase your receipts. Paragraph. As you will see by the samples I am enclosing, our collection stickers make efficient reminders, period. They are brief and they are friendly. Paragraph. Why not try them? Period. An order card is enclosed. Period. Sincerely yours.